It's a cheerful, mindful moment from bird's perspective. A bird from the book, A Busy Day for Birds. Hi, I'm a bird from the book, A Busy Day for Birds. The bird with teal-colored feathers. Do you see my tail wings? Yes, that's me. Today, I want to show you the bird's day. Do you see the rooster? He said, cock-a-doodle-doo. That's how we start our morning. Do you want to say it together? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Yes, there is a sun again in the sky. It's a new day. How lucky are we to get a new day? Cock-a-doodle-doo. When the weather is good, you can fly in the sky. Flap your wings and fly higher and higher. It feels so good to fly in the morning. You can feel the fresh air. It's a blessing. Forget about the sad things that happened before. Breathe in this fresh air and start with the new mindset. If you feel ready to go to the bird's world again, fly down to the ground. Fly, fly. We sometimes play hoping. Hope, 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 hope. My hoping shows my excitement for a new day. If you feel a little different, if you want to feel a little different, you can swim in the lake. Different from ground. In the water, you can swim gracefully like a swan. Stretch up your neck and see what's happening in the far, far land. Who's there? What is happening there? Does it look fun? Is it very different from here? Do you want to visit there someday? When your feet are tired, come back to the ground. Walk around and meet other birds. Say hello, darling. Hello, friends. You can talk about what you saw today, or you can hear about their day. Let's go fly together in the sky. Swoop up, swoop down, swoop round and round and round. Look like we are dancing together. Yes, that's what we want to do when we feel good. The sun went down and it's nighttime. Let's waddle like a penguin to the bed because it's fun. We did a lot of things today. Flying, relaxing, thinking about the other side of the world, socializing, catching bugs, playing, working, practicing, lots and lots of things. No wonder we get tired. Let's go to bed. What a busy bird you've been. Now say goodnight like an owl. Toot, toot, ooh, ooh. Waiting for tomorrow's new sun. The sun gives a light. Sometimes it's really bright. Without the sun it would be dark with only half the night. The sun has energy. It warms the air and sea. It warms the land, the dirt and sand, and it warms you and me.